Hi everybody, it's May 1st and we're on a mission of getting plants outside. I'm going to take you over to the coop area and show you what I've been up to lately. Sorry it's been taking me a little while to get the GoPro out, but we're on a mission today. So I'll walk over and you're going to see some plants outside, the figs. Yay! All right. Here we go. Kevin, you can see over there, he's on Mini Me Kubota tractor. And he has the grapple on it. And he's picking up a lot of the limbs we made a pile out of because the winds have been high. And then he's going to put the bucket on for me so I can go ahead and start bringing some of the soil and stuff around that I'm doing. Let's see if he notices. Nope. All right. Woohoo! Oh, you got a wave. All right, I'll take you inside in a minute, but this is what I was doing this morning. These are all the figs that we've been growing, and they don't do great outside, of course, in our winter. So they're inside the coop area, but now we're putting them on the north side. Here's Timmy helping us out. The north side of this building, so they don't get shocked with too much sun right off the bat as they get used to being outside. And at the end is willows, which we're going to separate and repot. These are curly willows and they're really cool. They get to be big trees. Actually, I'll come along this side and hopefully you can see the big tall curly willows along the side of the pond. But this started out when my friend and I years ago went to a nursery in Rochester. We came home with like 2 6-inch sticks, and all these willows we have gotten from them. So let's do this. I'm gonna take you in the side door here. And as you probably remember, this whole area was just jam-packed with the plants. The figs here. Usually we walk on this way to show you. So there's still some left here, but they were all along there and all filling in this whole floorway. So I'm going to this afternoon get the rest of these outside with their brothers and sisters. There's 3 citrus here, but we're going to leave those in another week or so and just make sure that the weather does well. Then Kevin and I will reassess what plants we have here and decide what can go out and what should stay in a little longer. Walk through this way into what we call the work area where the baby plants have been growing. And as you can see, the tomatoes I put in pots are perking up real nice, but it's way too early to put them outside. And over this, my job twice a day at least is to spray the hardy kiwi, hard cuttings, and the mulberry. But you can see now that the leaves are starting to come out, which is so exciting. Of course you need the roots, you know, but that's next. And these are mulberry. And I'll walk out to the main greenhouse, a future greenhouse that will have a ceiling and walls one of these days. And we've been putting some plants out here. So we're making use of this greenhouse. It's a little easier to water because it's closer to the building and dragging the hose across the yard. These are the serviceberry, and these are chestnuts over here. And we've been putting out the broccoli and the kale for a few hours a day to kind of get them used to the sun. So Now they're starting to get a little droopy, so I'll water them again and bring them in. Baby steps for them. And here's my helper, Timmy. And this area here, these are all red raspberries. So there's, I think, 86 of them when I counted last night. So I potted all these up. So that's great. We'll sell a bunch of them and we'll keep some so we can have raspberry also. So that's what's happening out in this area. I think I'll put a time-lapse one on and kind of show you what I've been doing. Getting the plants out, and then also I think we better do a little watering. We're supposed to get some rain today, but you never know. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.